Hi, third grade artists. Today we're going to make some abstract art with our names. I'll show you in a minute how we're going to do that, but abstract art, remember we talked about that before, it is art that is not intentionally made to be something that you normally see. So it consists of lines, shapes, and colors, and there's some great artists like Pablo Picasso, Wassily Kandinsky, and Jackson Pollock that have created abstract art in the past. I'm going to show you some paintings of theirs, and then we're going to get started. We just need some paper. If you have black colored pencil, crayon, or marker, some scissors, and some glue, and another color which you choose. Okay, I'm going to get my materials and let's get started. Okay, so I have my materials and we're ready to get started. I have a ruler here because we want to cut the paper down. So let's see if you can measure the paper so that we have a perfect square. Okay, so I'm going to measure inches. I'm going to go across, and over here is 8.5. So I'm just going to make a little line there. I'm going to turn my ruler and I'm going to draw a line here. Okay, I'm going to cut this paper off on this edge. So I have a perfect square. And then I'm going to write my name. So you're going to write your name. You're going to try to use as much as the paper as you can. And we're going to try to make these into bubble letters, or you could just make the lines thicker with crayon or marker when you're done. So I'm going to do an M. A, G, L, I, O. And to outline these, you just can go inside like this. Maybe this one you can go outside like this. The G, you can do this. L, I, O. Okay, so we just made some bubble letters. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to color my letters in black. I'm going to start by tracing the outline with black. You can use colored pencil, crayon, or marker. Whatever's easier, whatever you have at home. Okay, so I'm going to finish doing this and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I now finished coloring in black my letters. Okay, so now we're going to turn this into abstract art. Okay, I'm going to get my ruler again, or you can just do your own freehand lines. Okay, so we're going to draw 4 lines across and 4 lines down. You don't really have to measure if you don't want to. 1, 2, 3. We'll do something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then across. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So I'm going to get another piece of paper. And I'm going to cut on these lines, and I'm going to reassemble these letters onto the paper, kind of like a puzzle. Okay. We can also look at positive and negative space in this piece of art. The positive space is all the black areas, and the negative space are the white areas. So I'm just cutting on all my lines. And I'm going to put it together kind of like a puzzle. I don't see what my lines are here. Oh, there they are. Oops. Okay, so now I'm going to assemble these on the paper. I'm going to use my glue. Just kind of any way that you want to.
and glue them down. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I took all of those pieces that I cut up into squares and I pasted them onto a new piece of paper, and look at that. I turned my name into abstract art. So what I'm going to do now is all of these white spaces is what we call negative space, and the black is what we call positive space because it is seen and it is there, and this is empty, so it's negative. In all the negative space, I'm going to take a color, and I'm just going to color all that in so I make it look even more interesting. I'm going to use the color orange. So for example, I'm going to just color into the white spaces in my negative space. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll show you when I'm all done. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm now done coloring in all the negative space to one color orange, and I have a really nice piece of abstract art. See that? Okay, so I can't wait to see yours. Don't forget to send me a picture. Thanks, bye-bye.